At UVA, your career matters. Career development isn't just about promotions or job changes. It's about growing in place, building confidence, and discovering what gives you meaning and momentum in your work. That's why Career Navigation is here to support you. Career Navigation is a free service available to every UVA employee and team member. So whether you're brand new to the university community or you've been here for years, our goal is to help you take the next step in your professional growth, whatever that looks like. We offer one-on-one coaching, interactive workshops, and development-focused classes designed to help you reflect, explore, and move forward with purpose. No matter where you are in your journey, we are here to listen, support, and guide you without judgment and without pressure. We understand that growth looks different for everyone. For some, it might mean learning a new skill to grow in their current role. And for others, it might mean exploring roles in a different school, unit, or job family. That's where Career Journeys can help. Career Journeys is a tool that brings transparency to career growth by showing you how roles are organized here at UVA. You can explore job titles, understand the scope and responsibilities of different roles, and see how they connect across schools, units, and job families. Career Journeys gives you a clearer view of the possibilities, and Career Navigation can help you figure out which of those possibilities are right for you. In a coaching session, we'll use tools like Career Journeys alongside your experiences, values, and strengths. Together, we can help you create a plan that's personal, realistic, and aligned with what you want, whether that's a big leap, a small shift, or deeper satisfaction in the role you're in now. And if you're a manager, we can help you use Career Journeys to support your team's development by identifying growth paths, strengthening engagement, and having more meaningful career conversations. Career Journey shows you the big picture. Career Navigation helps you make it personal. So let's talk about where you are and where you want to go. Visit the Career Navigation website and book your free session today.